Okay, here's the engine. Power steering canister, power steering leak was down in there. As you can see, it's still not the cleanest from the leak that it had, but I cleaned it up pretty good. Firewall is in good shape. It's not all rusted out. It still has the ether canister for starting. Steering linkage is tight. Here's the front tire, front passenger or driver's side tire, about a ½ inch of tread. Tire's in good shape. Doors in good shape. You see the cab corners are all good. They're not rusted. This ain't a rotted truck. Bottom of the doors are solid. Here's the interior. Automatic. Put some seat covers on it. Got a little sunroof. Got a fan. All the controls for the dump box are here. You can see the cab is solid. Frame is a wide bellied frame. There's a fuel tank. Battery boxes. Rear tires. This tire is good. Really good tread, about a ½ inch of tread. This tire has probably 3/4 of an inch of tread. This tire has some dry rot, as you can see. Still has some good tread on it, but it's got a little bit of rot on the tire. This tire doesn't have as good a tread, but it's okay. I mean, it's passable, but it's not great. Here's the patches in the bed that we made. Bed's in good shape. But there again, there's the patches. Had a couple small holes and we cut them out, repatched them. There's the coal chute in the back, tailgate, hitch, passenger side rear tires. This tire's good, got about a ½ inch of tread. This tire's got about 3/8 of tread. Pretty good. This tire's not so good. This tire's okay. There's the patches on the bed. It had a couple small holes in the bottom down here. We cut them out and patched them. Same, it had holes right here. But other than that, the bed is solid. Hendrix suspension. I know it has a crack leaf, I'm pretty sure, somewhere, but I'm not sure exactly where. Frame is nice and clean. It's not all rusted and rotted. Here's the passenger side doors, cab corners. I don't know how well you can see with the sun shining, but the bed is dimply, but it's not rusted. It's in good shape. Passenger side front tire. Got about at least a ½ inch of tread. Good tire. These are balloon tires, they're the heavier tires. The suspension's all tight. It steers just fine. Newer filters, newer alternator. You can kind of see where the power steering leak had got stuff all over the engine, but I'm pretty sure I got it taken care of. It's minor. Close the hood. I'm going to start it. This thing hasn't been started in over a month, so hopefully it'll fire up. If I can find the key. Be surprised if she smokes a little bit on start, but she's fired up. startup. I don't know if you can see that, but she smokes on startup. Building air pressure. There's your shifter. It idles at around 500. So there you go.